Now, breaking news just coming in. Sources in the Delhi police have informed Republic that Bibhav Kumar has been taken for his medical examination. Sources have also informed Republic that the medical test is underway. Following the medical test, Kejriwal's aide, who is the main accused in the assault case row, will be produced at the Tees Hazari court today. Now, viewers, that's joining us are my colleagues Piyush and Riyanka. Riyanka, I'll go across to you. The latest development is that Bibhav Kumar has been arrested and he's been taken for his medical examination, after which he'll be produced in Tees Hazari court. What other details have you picked up?
Well, that's right. Several developments are happening parallelly, be it Bibhav Kumar, who has been taken for a medical examination, and then after that he will be taken to the Tees Hazari court. So several developments happening on that front, and all of this happening soon after Bibhav Kumar was in fact arrested by the Delhi police from the Chief Minister's residence. Currently, there were several movements that was happening here. Gopal Rai, the Aam Aadmi Party minister, had also arrived. He's currently inside the Chief Minister's residence. Nearly 10 minutes ago, we saw Gopal Rai arriving at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And earlier during the day, we saw how Raghav Chadha also, came in to meet the Chief Minister here at his residence. So several developments on those lines are also taking place. Well, on the other hand, we know that the team of Delhi police are still present inside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And there are, investigations, and the probe is continuing to get some solid evidence, be it in terms of the CCTV footages or the statements from the staff who were present here on that very day of the assault. So, various links are also being probed here, because how we saw how Swati Maliwal had, leveled several allegations against Bibhav Kumar, on the basis of which he has been arrested. But it's very important to note here also that how Bibhav also went ahead and filed a counter complaint against Swati Maliwal. But for now, it's a setback because Bibhav has been arrested. So several details will flow in as far as the investigation will proceed from here.
Right, Riyanka, I'll go across to Piyush now. Piyush, we know that Bibhav Kumar has been arrested. Take us through all the evidence that the investigation team has gathered in this particular case.
So, Guinea, what I can tell you is that there were some very dramatic developments that occurred after 12 p.m. when suddenly the Delhi police came to the official residence of the Delhi Chief Minister, and from there they took Bibhav Kumar, who was the officer special duty of the Delhi Chief Minister. They took him from the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister and got him over here at Civil Lines Police Station. The images and the visuals of which are being sent to you by my video journalist Vijay Anusasangiji. Now, this is the place which has witnessed a lot of drama ever since. From the time Bibhav Kumar, the officer special duty of the Delhi Chief Minister, was brought over here, there was first a legal team of Bibhav Kumar and also Aam Aadmi Party which came over here. They were, however, prohibited of coming into the police station, citing that there was certain law and order procedures that were being taken place. However, when we had a word with the legal team, they told that this was not an arrest, and Bibhav Kumar was not into hiding. In fact, he was cooperating with the law enforcement agencies. They also cited that this is a witch hunt and this is a political agenda which is being played by the Delhi police, which rather is right now focusing only on one aspect of the investigation. After that, we have also been told is that Bibhav Kumar most probably now is going to be taking his medical, the medical process is going to be undertaken. In fact, what we have also been told by the Delhi police sources is that he's already been taken for the medical test. How two others claims is only going to be verified later. But it is definitely now being told to us that there is a high possibility that Bibhav Kumar would be taken to court today itself, where most possibly the Delhi police would like to extend his police custody. I also have my colleague Aditya, who will also be telling me, who got the first visual when Bibhav Kumar was taken into the police station, and he will be telling us what exactly did he see. What exactly was the situation over here, Aditya, and which all police officers were present with Bibhav Kumar when he was taken to the civil line police station.
Well, Piyush, when the police team brought Vibhav Kumar to Civil Line Police Station, we saw that additional CP of the Special Cell Delhi Police and additional DCP North were present, and they took Vibhav Kumar inside.
In fact, you just rightly mentioned ADCP, and she is the one who's handling the investigation.
Right. So after some time, we also witnessed Prahlad Singh Sahani, who's an AAP MLA who also came in support of Vibhav, and he said
He was not allowed to get into
he
it.
was not allowed to enter inside the gate, and he also said that we are in full solidarity with the Vibhav Kumar, and we will follow the directions as to what.
Did you have the word with police officers of what exactly their next plan of action would be now?
Well, I tried to ask the questions related to this, but they didn't refuse. They refused to comment upon the issue.
Right, Piyush, you stay with us. I'll cut across to Riyanka now. Riyanka, of course, allegations, counter-allegations, cases, counter-cases, lot happening in this assault gate. Now, of course, we know that Vibhav Kumar is going to be presented in the Tees Hazari court after his medical examination. What is the evidence that is going to be produced against him?
See, for now, what we are, expecting that the FIR that was lodged by Swati Maliwal, where she has made several claims of how she was assaulted by Vibhav Kumar, and also in terms of the medical report that has shown details, shocking details, how Swati suffered injuries on her face, on, her legs as well. There were injuries on her under eye and also on her legs. So on these bases, we are going to see whether the Delhi police produces these particular evidences in front of the court, and whether these will be the lines on which the police may seek custody for Vibhav Kumar. As of now, we know that there is a counter complaint by Vibhav Kumar as well. On the other hand, there were two CCTV footages that had come to light. One was, I beg your pardon, one we had a video, we had a video from inside the living room where Swati Maliwal and the security forces were seen talking to each other. There was a rough conversation that were taking place. On the other hand, a CCTV visual from that very day, when we could see how the security forces were asking Swati Maliwal, or rather taking her out of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. So all these evidences, all these details could be produced before the court today, and then it's likely that the Delhi police will in fact seek custody for Vibhav Kumar in this case.
Right, Riyanka, I would like to ask you another question. If you look at the video carefully, she does not seem to be limping, neither does she seem to have any injury. But the next day, which footage we have, in fact, it was circulated in the media, she seems to be limping. So what is the truth behind all of this? Because we all know that politics is a dirty game.
That's right. Politics is in fact taking place in this case. Several speculations are also being made how the Aam Aadmi Party is constantly saying that this is a fabricated case on the conspiracy by the BJP. They have created this sort of a scenario in front of, just before the elections to defame Arvind Kejriwal, and they have also said that Swati Maliwal was in talks with the several BJP leaders. On the other hand, if we talk about the Bharatiya Janata Party constantly lashing out at Arvind Kejriwal for not uttering a single word and rather saying that how the Aam Aadmi Party is going on blaming the BJP for this entire scenario. So we will have to wait and see what exactly happens, because two visuals, one we see Swati Maliwal limping. All of it happened when she was taken for the medical. After that, she was brought to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. When the entire recreation of the scene was done there, we could very well see how she was limping from getting out of the car to getting inside the premises. But the video that came out from 13th of May, there we can see she is walking quite normally. So several details are being probed. The evidence are also being investigated by the Delhi police. It is to be seen what exactly happens next, because it is important to understand what exactly is the truth, because allegations on allegations are constantly being leveled. War of words are taking place. Politics is getting really heated at this point.